Take a test drive in the new Chevrolet Camaro as soon as possible. We are the Texas hub, concentrating in new and previously owned Chevrolet SUVs, trucks and cars in the Dallas area. We service all the surrounding communities around Dallas such as Highland Park, Hutchins, Balch Springs, Grand Prairie, Seagoville and Rowlett. We are a Dallas-based Chevrolet facility that delivers our customers with helpful and user-friendly staff, superior accommodation, exceptional customer assistance reputation. Pick up the phone and call us if you are seeking a Chevrolet Camaro, or swing on by for a test whirl in your next Camaro today.